In this video, you will learn how to unblock your Paysafe account, identify the issue, determine if your account is blocked due to an incorrect password attempt or for security reasons, reset your password. If you're locked due to wrong attempts, if you've entered the wrong password multiple times, use the forgotten password option on the login page so you can reset it. Complete the unblocking form. If your account is blocked for security reasons, Paysafe may provide you an online form to fill out with your personal and account details. Provide documents. If you may be requested to provide ID or verification such as a passport or driving license and possibly bank statements to confirm your identity. Monitor your email. Keep an eye on your email inbox, including spam or junk folders, for any instructions or updates from Paysafe. Wait for a review or follow up. Once you've submitted the required information, Paysafe will review your case and notify you when your account is unblocked. Contact support if you need to. If you haven't received a response in a few days, contact Paysafe customer support through the help center or support page. Now you know. Now you know how to unblock your Paysafe account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.